Sail into the heart of paradise with a Tahiti cruise this November 2022. Discover the allure of French Polynesia's crown jewel, where the waters are as warm as the welcome. While Tahiti's tropical charm shines year-round, November offers a unique blend of pleasant weather and vibrant local events. Picture yourself amidst the excitement of the Tahiti Pearl Regatta, a spectacle of sails and celebration, set against an 80-degree F backdrop. It's the shoulder season, fewer crowds, more tranquility. Bora Bora's overwater bungalows beckon, Moria's peaks offer breathtaking vistas, and Tahiti Iti's untouched splendor awaits. Dive into Whakarava's UNESCO-protected reefs, or snorkel Ahe's teeming atolls. Each island is a chapter in an unforgettable Polynesian anthology. Luxury or adventure. Cultural immersion or expedition thrills. Tahiti's cruises cater to every taste. Paul Gauguin Cruises delivers opulence on the waves, while small ship voyages promise intimacy with the Isles. Choose your vessel, set your course. Beyond the horizon, your ship is a floating oasis of experiences. Indulge in spa serenity, engage in water sports, or immerse in Polynesian culture right on deck. Shore excursions extend the adventure to ziplining through canopies and lounging on untouched sands. Embrace the journey with savvy preparation. Book early, pack for tropical climes, and perhaps linger a little longer with a pre-cruise stay. A touch of French can be your key to local hearts, and respect for traditions will enrich your soul. Tahiti is not just a destination, it's an embrace with the extraordinary. In conclusion, a November 2022 cruise to Tahiti is more than a getaway. It's a gateway to a world of beauty, culture, and adventure. Ready to set sail? Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.